guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. As you can see, I've got a lot of review products to do. A lot of companies overseas want to get their name out in the United States market. So today I got this from my friends over at PKEY. It's an portable electric screwdriver. Not meant for heavy duty stuff like small engine equipment or for a car or something, but rather a small electric screwdriver for things around the house, such as your computer, toys, drones, appliances, that kind of thing, with very small screws that don't require a ton of torque. This is rated at 5 Newton meters on the torque, and this case is a little sticky. Like it has all kinds of adhesive on it that has been peeled off. But it has a 2000 milliamp battery. It's rechargeable with your standard USB charging cable. It comes with 32 magnetic bits that consist of different sizes of flathead, Phillips, hex, torque screws, star, even the one with the 2 dots that turn, which you never find. Also, if you notice, there are Y-shaped ones too that sometimes how do you get that off, you know? But this one has it. If I could just figure out how to open up the box, it would be fantastic. All right, here we go. It's magnetized. See? The case is magnetized. How cool is that? That's pretty cool. I've never had a box that opens up that's magnetic. So anyway, here are the 32 magnetic bits of assorted sizes, and the tool itself is this, the PKEY. It's very well designed. It looks really cool. It has an input here for your USB charging port, right? Your reverse, tighten, and there's a 4 LED bulb that lets you see clearly what you're screwing. Very nice. So like I said, if you're removing something from your computer, you know, the little tiny screws, your glasses maybe, some toys, if you're taking apart your toaster oven, you know, appliances like that. This is not meant for small engine stuff, you know, because there's not enough torque. But 5 Newton meters is more than enough to take apart your iPhone. You know, it's very cool. There's nothing to it. As you can see, you just take a bit out, and it's magnetic, so it won't come back out again. Here's a Phillips one. Torx. Hex. That crazy shape with the 2 prongs, you know, with the 2 dots. I've never had a bit like that. Flathead. Also has an adapter on here for you in case you want to put sockets on. The TriStar Mercedes-Benz logo, the Y. They don't sell too many of those, so it's great that you have that. So a very cool item to have, especially if I'll keep this around the house because you're definitely going to use it around the house. So, very cool little tool, the PKEY mini electric screwdriver at 2000 milliamps per hour on the battery charge. Rechargeable, like I said, with the USB cord, as well as the magnetic case where it keeps your 32 bits of magnetic drill bits for your screwdriver. Very cool. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys are interested. And thanks a lot for joining me on another review of the PKEY electric screwdriver. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
next time on Mowers and Blowers.